Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. I ordered some GK Tech fans a couple of days ago, or I should say last week, and they came in. Now these fans are supposed to improve. Um, I also ordered two sets because I need one for my RB25, and I also needed one for my other M30, which has the stock VG30E. So let's take a look. It comes in. So this is the adapters. Open that up. And here are the fans. And I'm going to open both these up and see how they look. Like I said, here are the fans. Here are the adapter kits. Let's take a look. The hardware, the adapter, and a cool GK Tech sticker. Let me see if it's the same as this. Make sure it all came through. Hardware, yep, pretty happy about it. When it comes to stickers, I only like to put stickers on that, like represent something. So, alright. So there's that, and then now, the reason why I wanted to do this upgrade, one thing, it's supposedly gives better cooling, but also, these are old fans that need to be replaced. So, alright, so there's all their videos. Here's the fan itself. Wow, that's really thick. A lot of fans they're cracked, and I also feel that fans are engine front. I like that. So this one tells you where the front, and of course the back is the engine. Fans typically, people that really don't modify engines, they have the stock fan. In this case, my M30 has a stock fan, and I just feel like it's time to update it. So that's the whole purpose of me going out or having this ordered. But also my RB25 M30, I want this type of fan, clutch fan, and then have a bunch of and have two electric pull fans, or push fans I should say. Anyways, yeah, I'm kind of happy with this. I'm gonna have it put in the project car. I don't know when that's gonna be put in, when the motor gets assembled, but probably my M30. I'll probably have this put in probably next week, and get it done and out of the way. Anyways, that's just it. The GKTech.com radiator fan.